Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to remove space and special characters in a cell in Excel sheet. So this is my Excel sheet. Right now I don't have any data. Now I want to get the data from the MySQL table. So I want to take all names from this table, EMP table. Just select all your names, copy here and paste your names here. You can see here every name should consist one or two pipe symbols aligned with spaces. So this is the name of the column, name, and these are the names. So this is the raw data. I want to make it clean this data by removing. To remove space and special characters in Excel, we can use two functions. Trim, which is used to remove both leading and trailing spaces, and second function is substitute. So it will take first text, second one is bold text, and third one is new text. These are the three arguments in the substitute function. By using these two functions, now I will clean this data name column. So equal to, first I am taking substitute function. Substitute replaces existing text with new text in a text string. So I am taking text as A2. I am selecting this cell as text. Next, bold text. So bold text here I am mentioning within double quotes pipe symbol. Next, new text. New text here I am taking just empty space. So if I see here, this is the original name. Now you can see in this name we don't find any pipe symbol. Expand this one. So I am giving new name as a column name. Now you can see we don't find any pipe symbol, but there are some spaces. Earlier we see pipe symbol. By using substitute function, you will remove this special characters. So it will take first text. Text means your cell address. Second, existing text or bold text. Bold text means here I want to remove special character pipe symbol, and my new text is just space. Okay, it will remove like this. Now I want to, so even though there are some spaces here, special characters removed but spaces still exist. So at that time you can apply trim function. Trim of this whole query, whole text. Now you can see if you drag it, so you can see all these names in the right side. This is how you need to remove the spaces and remove the special characters in the cell of the Excel sheet. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.